I'm here today at another sports activity being run by the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. Since the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan has come to governance here, we have seen promotion of sports throughout the country. In particular, the National Olympic Committee of Afghanistan, headed by its director, have worked tirelessly. I believe that sports brings Afghan people together, not only within the country, but it also brings Afghanistan together with the countries of the world. Recently, we had the Afghan cricket team travel to Australia, where it competed in test matches. It also competed very well in the Asian Test Cup. I believe that it is through the diplomacy of sportsmanship that people around the world can see the real Afghanistan, and to see that Afghan people are human beings just as everybody else is around the world. It is time for the world to reach out and support the Afghan people. One way to do that is to interact with them with sport. I thank you all for your time, and I hope that one day you will have the great opportunity, like me, to come and see this beautiful country and meet its incredible people. I find Afghan clothes very comfortable. When I was in Australia, I always wore khali on my head, and here in Afghanistan, I am very happy to wear these clothes. They remind me of the Pashto people, who I am very close to, and also they remind me of my worship to Allah. When I wear the prayer cap on my head, it reminds me that I am a Muslim and that I am being judged by my behavior. Again, Afghan clothes are a tradition and customs that goes back hundreds, even thousands of years, and this is one of the most unique countries in the world that you don't see people walking around in jeans and t-shirts. People still wear traditional clothes.